In this clip, we're going to see an accident that could have been prevented. So let's take a look and learn some lessons. Yeah, so this woman is 100% in the wrong. Not sure why she's trying to make a U-turn over here, but there are still things this driver or the dash cam could have done to prevent this. Let's take a look. Right there, she hits the brakes. That's the first sign something's wrong. Maybe there's an obstacle up ahead, some construction, maybe some wild animal ran across the road, and she hit the brakes. That means slow down. But our driver here decided to keep the pace instead of slowing down. She also didn't use the turn signal, so it's a bit confusing. But our driver also decided there's some room over here for me to pass. I don't know what she's doing, so I'm just gonna pass over this way instead of slowing down and waiting to see what she does. And this impatience right here, trying to slip through this hole, is what caused this accident. That's not the only cause, obviously. She's the one at fault. She's the one doing something illegal, and most likely will be held liable by insurance. But our driver here could have had more patience and just stopped right here. Wait till she does what she does, and then go when it's clear instead of trying to slip through this hole. Because this isn't a two-way lane. This is a single lane. But our driver decided, I'm going to be impatient and try to slip through this hole. And this is what happened. So having a bit more patience can really help you. And if you make a wrong turn and you don't know where you're going and this is not where you want to go, don't do something illegal and dangerous like this. Just keep going and go the long way around. Both of these people, trying to save a few minutes off their commute, both ended up having to pay a lot more in time, money, and just stress. So let's just learn some lessons here and learn from these people. Be a bit more patient.